Hi, I'm Anusha. I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. I'll see the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing a sensitive skin friendly skincare routine. Actually, if you have been following my channel for a while now, you already know that I suffered a major skin irritation in the months of January or February, like 2 months ago, and I have shared everything like how I irritated my skin, what I did so that my skin got irritated to the maximum extent, everything in the previous video. You can click the previous video and please don't repeat the mistakes I made. So, yeah, in that video, some of you have asked me to share the sensitive skincare routine that I followed when my skin is extremely irritated. So, I am making this video. I am going to be mentioning everything like what are the products that I have used, what is the routine that I have followed, and I am going to be giving you the alternatives for the skincare products. So if you are from a different skin type, still you will find an option for yourself. So without further ado, let's get started with the sensitive skin friendly skincare products and skincare routine. So when my skin is extremely irritated, the first thing I did was I completely stopped using every skincare product like the actives and everything. I stopped everything and I just stick to a cleanser, mild cleanser. And at that point my skin is irritated to a point where I'm getting a stinging sensation even if I'm using plain water. My skin is that irritated, so I stopped everything from my skincare routine and I just stick to a very gentle cleanser and a very soothing moisturizer. So the two products that I have used are the Cetaphil gentle skin cleanser. It is a cream based cleanser. It is extremely mild and extremely sensitive skincare friendly, and it has got this creamy texture. It will not produce any foam on your skin, but to my surprise it is cleansing my skin really well. At that point I just need a very gentle cleanser that gives a little bit of cleansing action, and it did the job very well for me. So that is like the first cleanser that I am using, and the second step is a very hydrating soothing moisturizer. For that I went in with let me show you the, I have no product with me right now, but I'll insert the clip. It is the 0.3% minimalist ceramide based moisturizer. It for oily skin. They have two variants, one for dry skin and one for oily skin. I have already used the dry skin one and I really loved it. But since this is summertime, I used the oily skin moisturizer, and it is a really good hydrating soothing moisturizer. It has got 0.3% pure ceramides and lot of humectants and emollients to add that hydration. So these are the only two products that I used for around like 10 to 15 days. So every morning I am washing my skin and I am using the moisturizer, and every evening I am washing my skin with the cleanser and using the moisturizer. So these are the only two things I followed for like 10 to 14 days. By that time my skin it's kind of calmed down, the redness went down a lot, and I'm not getting like huge irritation or acne on my skin anymore. So I started at the in the first 14 days I have not used any sunscreen also, because mostly I'm sitting in my bedroom and we don't get like any sunlight there. So I'm just using, I don't want to apply any product that can irritate my skin, so I'm just sticking myself to the cleanser and moisturizer. Then after like 10 to 14 days, then I started slowly introducing the skincare products, skin soothing kind of skincare products that I know that my skin already loves. I see at this point I am not introducing any new skincare products. The whatever the products I am introducing, I already know that my skin loves them. So after cleansing, as the second step, I started using a toner. The toner is from the One Thing Centella Toner. That toner is very soothing and it calms redness like a charm. So I started using that product, and it works on acne and acne scars also. So that is my second product. So that really helped with the acne and redness kind of situation on my skin. And as a third step, as usual, I am using the Minimalist Moisturizer, and as the fourth step, I started using the sunscreen in the mornings. The sunscreen that I am using is the Viaxis Mugwort and Niacinamide sunscreen. This is a complete physical sunscreen and it gives a little matte finish on the skin. Why I love this sunscreen is it did not irritate my skin even a little bit, and on top of that I felt that my skin is getting that soothing and calming kind of effect from this sunscreen. Because if you see like the ingredient list of the sunscreen, they mainly focuses on calming kind of ingredients like mugwort, niacinamide. So if your skin gets irritated to sunscreens in general, because the filters used in sunscreens irritate some people, so you can give this one a try. Because I know that this sunscreen works for me, I started using this sunscreen, and it worked really well for me. And this is the morning skincare routine: a gentle cleanser, the Cetaphil one, and again the second step is the toner, one thing Centella Toner, the third step is the same moisturizer, the Minimalist 0.3 moisturizer, and the fourth step is the Y-axis sunscreen. So this is like the complete morning routine that I am following. At this stage also I am not using any actives in my morning skincare routine. For my evening skincare routine, I started using the Cosrx low pH good morning gel cleanser. Because I am applying sunscreen, I need a cleanser that is a little bit strong at mild and effective on my skin. So I started using the Cosrx one, and as I said, I used it earlier, my skin loves it, so I started using it. It has a little bit of betaine salicylate also in it, and it has a lot of plant extracts, mild cleansers. So I started cleansing my skin with the Cosrx one. If you want to use, you can go for a double cleanse also. Like you can use a gentle micellar water in your skincare routine, and then you can go in with a face wash. But I directly used the face wash because I felt it is sufficient. I'm not going anywhere out, so anyway I'm not getting that sweaty or that grime on my skin. So I used to use this cleanser, and as the second step I used to use the same toner, the one thing Centella Toner. And as a third step, in every alternate day I started using the Paulas Choice BHA. That works really well on controlling acne on the skin, so I started using that product. And as the fourth step, I used to seal everything with the ceramide based moisturizer, the same thing, the 0.3 minimalist one. So my nighttime skincare is the Cosrx cleanser, and followed by the same toner, followed by a BHA 3 times a week, and followed by a moisturizer. So this is my evening skincare routine. So I followed this routine for another, I think, 14 days, like 2 weeks. So it's a total of 2 weeks of only cleanser and moisturizer, and 2 weeks of introducing the sunscreen and BHA. So it's like a total of 1 month I followed this routine, and my acne, redness, irritation, everything kind of went really down. Now I get occasional 1 or 2 breakouts, hormonal breakouts, like that's normal for my skin. So yeah, my skin, I think, touch wood, my skin came back to its normal state, but I have still a lot of textures, black spots. But I started using another routine for those. I'll share that routine in the coming videos, like for the pigmentation, for the dark spots, whatever I'm using, I'll share that. But this is like the sensitive skin friendly skincare routine that I followed. And now coming to the product alternatives. If you cannot use Cetaphil gentle cleanser, because this is a very creamy cleanser, and if you have oily skin and sensitive skin, then you can try the Bioderma Sensibio cleanser, the pink one. I'll insert the clip here. And for the micellar water, you can try the Bioderma micellar water from the same line. I'll insert both the clips of the products here. And yeah, these are like the cleanser options, the Bioderma cleansers, and these cleansers are the cleanser options if you have got sensitive skin. If you have got oily skin, you can try this one also, or Bioderma one, anything is fine. If you have got dry skin, then stick to this product. So yeah. And coming to the toners, you can use the one thing Centella Toner, or you can use the toner from Purito, the Centella Toner from Purito, the Sunjang Toner, the pH 5.5 one toner. I'll insert the clip here. That one is also very sensitive skin friendly. So these are the toners that you can stick to. And coming to the moisturizers, there are a lot of soothing and ceramide based options for every skin type. If you have got very oily skin, then try gel based products like the one from Dot & Key, the Cica and Niacinamide one. It is extremely calming and soothing at very lightweight, hydrating on the skin, but it has got peppermint oil. So use it only if you really know that it works for your skin. But if you are using it for the first time, please don't use the product, because the peppermint oil might irritate your skin further. So yeah. And the second option is the Minimalist vitamin B5 moisturizer. it has got 10% panthenol, which is very very hydrating and soothing on the skin, and it repairs damaged skin barrier also. So your skin will be hydrated and the redness will go down very quickly. So you can try that moisturizer, or the Minimalist 0.3% Ceramide Moisturizers are very good. They have two variants, one for dry skin and one for oily skin. You can pick the one that really suits your skin type. And the another moisturizer for dry skin people is from Dot and Key, the Rice and Ceramide Moisturizer. I have that one with me, so this one, so you can try this one. It is somewhat thick and very soothing and very hydrating on the skin. Or Bioderma has one, Bioderma Autoderm Balm. If you have got very dry skin, then you can try that. And the Cerave Moisturizing Cream or Balm. If you have dry skin, you can try those products. All these moisturizers are extremely sensitive skincare friendly, and they will help in retaining the hydration, and they will help to soothe and calm your skin down. So these are the moisturizer options. And coming to the sunscreens, if you can get hands on this product, if you have got oily skin, then please get this product. If you have got dry skin, then I would say this one really worked for me, because after some time I started using this product and it gave me zero irritation. Of course it is not soothing, it won't add any soothing to your skin, but at least it won't irritate your skin further. So yeah, you can try this product if you have got dry skin. Or you can try another option like the Beauty of Joseon one, the Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. If you have got dry skin, then you can definitely try that product, because it has got ginseng and some kind of other good ingredients. You can definitely try that sunscreen. So this is my skincare routine that I followed when my skin is irritated, and I hope you found some options that suit your skin type, so that you can use them when your skin is extremely irritated. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful, and if it is, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button, because that will help me a lot to grow this channel. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.